Hello, fourth graders. I hope everyone is doing great. Today we are going to explore lesson 3 of unit 5, which is about how the senses work. In today's learning objectives, number 1, you'll be able to describe human nervous and sensory systems and how they interrelate. And number 2, you'll be able to recognize the structures and functions of integumentary system and gain a deeper understanding about the ways in which the stimuli create reactions. And by the way, when you say integumentary system, grade 4, it is everything covering the outside of an animal or human's body, like skin, hair, and nails. Alright, so we're going to find out more about all these things. Can you explain it? Better with grade 4. If you have your science book with you, you can open it on page 325, and after this, you'll be answering something. For now, I want you to watch the video to discover more about how dolphins use one of their senses to swim in the dark oceans. Animals use their senses to receive and process information about their environment. Because of where they live, many animals must rely on different senses to search for food. Dolphins, for example, often swim and search for food in dark and murky water where they cannot see using their eyesight. If they do not use their eyes, what senses do they use to help them find food? You've just watched grade 4 the video about dolphins, and now I want you to answer page 325 of your science book. Okay, and here are the questions. How do you think dolphins find food in dark water? Especially if what they're looking for does not make any noise. And second one, what other sense might they use to see without using their eyesight? So what you have to do, class, just write your initial thought for now. And as we progress through the exploration 1, you can revise your answers at the end of this lesson. Alright?
Human. Together, the nervous system works to process information around and in the body. Humans and many other animals have a skeletal system.
Use what you discovered grade 4 to label some of the parts in the skeletal system and nervous system. By the way, page 326 of your science book. And here are the choices: bone, brain, nerves, and spinal cord. Let's see if your answers are correct. So here is your brain, spinal cord, your bones, and your nerves. The brain grade 4, the nerves, and the spinal cord work together in the nervous system. So along with other body systems to help you move. Now let's find out the answer to this question. How are the nervous system and skeletal system related? Okay, look at the illustrations here for your reference. And here is the answer. The skeletal system, grade 4, protects the nervous system. Okay, please don't forget this. Okay, now I want you to turn your book on page 327. Okay, and let's find out more about skin deep. The largest organ in your body is your skin. The skin may not look like much on the outside, but it is its own body system. The integumentary system includes skin, hair, and nails, as I've said earlier. So the skin, grade 4, is the largest organ of your body. Okay, and it provides protection by covering your entire body. It also contains special structures called receptors. So these receptors respond to changes inside and outside body and report them to your nervous system. And then these changes may form perceptions and memories that could guide your actions. And there are three main types of skin receptors. We have touch, temperature, and pain. So all three nerve endings can receive different kinds of information that comes to the skin from the environment. On the same page of your book, grade 4, 327, let's find out which receptor type is being described in the following. Okay, first, touch and pressure receptors react to how hard, soft, rough, or smooth an object is. So when you touch something like a wood block, the pressure receptors send nerve signals to your brain. Then the brain processes these signals so that you know what you are holding. Okay, so tell me, is it touch, temperature, or pain receptor? Okay, and number 2, if you're holding an ice cube, you quickly realize that your hand is freezing. So this is because temperature receptors in your skin react to the temperature of the ice cubes and send nerve signals to the brain. I guess the answers are very obvious, right? And last one, when the skin feels intense pressure or it is injured, pain receptors send information about the pain to the brain. And then the brain processes the signals and causes the muscles to try move away from the source of the pain. And then the body reactions to pain is immediate. Okay, so let's see the answers. So here are the correct answers. All right. And for your homework, please complete page 328 on your science book, questions 3 to 6. And that's for today's lesson. I hope you've learned something great. Always check your online portal, by the way. Okay, well done everyone. Have a nice day.